Hey everyone, and welcome to Vaya Demo 7 by Savannah Camper. So we are going to be working with data items today, and so we're going to click BA1 Practice 3.1, and then opening this report. So I have my instructions over here. So we are going to go to the data pane over here. Data. What is the classification of employee ID? So employee ID is right here, and it is a category. And then manager at level 1 is a measure. So those are the first two questions. We're going to move this over here. So then we are told to change the classification from manager at level 1 from a measure to a category. So there it is. And now change the format for annual salary to $13.2. It's currently at 13. So width is 13 and then 13.2. Width, I believe. So to format, width 13, for decimals enter field 2. Oh, this is 13 and then this is 2. Okay. Now rename data items. So in the category group next to employee ID, this is done. So employee ID, we have here, edit, in the name field, enter ID. So we're going to get rid of employee ID. And then that is done. In the name field, enter name. Oh, we're good. Oh, in the category group next to employee name, we're going to change it just to name. Enter. In the category group next to manager at level 1, in the name field, enter manager ID. Enter. And that's done. And then in the measure group next to frequency, click down into edit properties. In the name field, enter number of employees. And then refresh employees clean at the top of the data pane to collapse. And that is done. Alright, so then open the browser. Oh, that seems to be all for the first part of 3.5. Thank you so much.